In this video we are going to teach you how to perform a misfire test on a 2017 Ford Mustang using the X431 Pro 3. First, select Local Diagnose. Select Ford. Confirm the software version and select OK. Select Automatically Search. Key on Engine Off and select OK. Confirm the vehicle and select Yes. Select System Selection. Select Powertrain Control Module. Select Special Function. Select Misfire Test. A screen will appear. Select OK to continue. A screen will appear. Observe the following work sequences and select OK to continue. Follow the instructions on the screen and select OK. This screen will show you the misfire count and values per cylinder. Once complete, select Stop. And that's how to perform a misfire test on a 2017 Ford Mustang.